So how to use puff count app. So this is a new trending app which getting some traction. Yeah, I think it's one of the best apps to quit vaping. It's definitely in top three. It has very nice, easy to use design. Everything's easy to set up. It has a lot of widgets, easy to understand. So you just open it up and then you create your quit plan. So that's your plan, how, like, when you want to quit, what's your deadline, and then you just set it up your metrics, how many vapes you have uh, per day, and you just set it out, and then it kind of creates this graph for you where you just have this is your puff limit, the red line, and then how many puffs you already had today, and then you just have this kind of red limit to exactly see how it's going. So that's just the idea for you, just the better visualization, and then you can install it as a widget here, so you can instantly see it on your home screen. And then then you just add in your puffs today. You changing the strengths, you add in the nicotine. This is just an example. And then you see your usage monitor in another graph here, and then you see your account, and then every time you can just add another reason here. There is some option with auto tracking. I don't know how it works. Maybe you can just connect some of the device you have. And then that's basically also you have quit buddies. You can add a friend to this app, so you can do it together, so not alone. So that's the app, basically. That's the functionality. So kind of super easy to get started. It has 3-day free trial, but then eventually it's like $7 per week, so it's not that cheap. So it's in your interest to quit vaping faster, because then it's like $30 per month, so it kind of becomes expensive. But there you have it.